Robotic welding and assembly lines have revolutionized the automotive industry, making the production process faster, safer, and more efficient. In this YouTube video, we will explore the use of robots in welding and assembly lines in car manufacturing, and discuss the benefits and challenges associated with this technology. The automotive industry was one of the first to adopt robotics in manufacturing, and today, robots are extensively used in welding and assembly processes. With the help of robots, car manufacturers are able to achieve higher levels of precision, consistency, and speed, while reducing the risk of accidents and increasing worker safety. Robotic welding is particularly useful in car manufacturing because it is a repetitive and time-consuming task that requires high levels of accuracy. By using robots for welding, car manufacturers are able to reduce errors, improve weld quality, and increase production speeds. Robotic welding also eliminates the need for human welders to work in hazardous environments, such as high heat or low oxygen areas, which improves safety conditions for workers. Assembly lines are also extensively automated with robots in the automotive industry. Robots are used to perform tasks such as installing windshields, doors, and engines, as well as painting and polishing car bodies. This automation allows for faster and more precise assembly, while reducing labor costs and improving product quality. Despite the many benefits of robotic welding and assembly lines, there are also challenges associated with this technology. One of the main challenges is the cost of purchasing and maintaining robots, which can be significant. Additionally, robotic systems require significant space, energy, and infrastructure investments, which can also add to the overall cost. Another challenge is the need for skilled technicians and engineers to operate and maintain robotic systems. These professionals require specialized training and experience to effectively program and troubleshoot robotic equipment. In this YouTube video, we will also explore some of the latest innovations in robotic welding and assembly line technology in the automotive industry. These include the use of collaborative robots, which can work alongside human operators, as well as advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning, which are allowing for more autonomous and adaptive robots. Overall, robotic welding and assembly lines have transformed the automotive industry by improving speed, efficiency, and safety. While there are challenges associated with this technology, the benefits are clear and will likely continue to drive innovation and growth in the automotive manufacturing sector. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on the latest trends and innovations in robotics and automation.